Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best method to resolve Cash App account locks. Now, if your account has been locked, the best method to get this resolved is to follow the official support channel and to remain patient and accurate. When an account is locked, it's usually due to security concerns or verification issues or just policy violations. You want to start by checking your email and in-app notifications for instructions from Cash App. Submit all requested documents promptly and ensure that the information matches your account details exactly. Avoid creating new accounts or attempting repeated logins, as this can extend the lock. Only use the in-app support system to communicate, and do not trust anyone claiming that they can unlock accounts for a fee. Resolution can take some time, but clear communication and compliance with requests offers the best chance of restoring access safely. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.